Module 11. Light sensors. The microbit has a sensor in that can detect how light or dark it is in the room where it is. It will return a number between 0 and 255. The higher the number, the brighter the room is. The light level is accessed from the input menu. It's the block light level. You can store this value in a variable or put it into an if statement to check what the value is. In this first example, the program will continually output the light level over and over again. The second program gets the light level and stores it in the variable light. The if statement then checks this value. If it is less than 100, it outputs the word dark. Otherwise, it outputs the word light.